Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh, and today we are going to discussing about how to commit, pull, and push to GitHub using Eclipse. Okay, and here we are going to discussing about these four topics and how to create a GitHub repository and how to clone the registration in Eclipse and how to Eclipse project creation into the GitHub repository, adding that both, and how to commit and push to and pull for that changes into GitHub. Okay, first creating for GitHub means first go to Google. There you can search for uh, GitHub GitHub registration. Okay. Once you click the registration, you will see for join GitHub. Once you click this join GitHub, it will provide that username, email ID, and password. You have to provide that username which you can able to remember that name, and email ID you have to pass, which is you want to get the notifications and all that email, and password, and you need to verify that. And once you have to verify the puzzle, then you need to create your GitHub repository. Okay, GitHub account you can able to create. Once you created GitHub account, then you need to start creating a repository. Okay, and here we can able to see there is a item it is presented. One is new repository, the plus symbol. If you create a new repository, it will display, and you can able to take this new repository and provide the username and make it as a public and create. Okay, once you create it, it will provide you that your repository like this. Okay, then you need to copy this link first. Then we need to create a project and we need to add this repo into GitHub repo which we created, right? Once we started Eclipse, then we need to add into that Eclipse repository. And once you come here, then there is a search box. And once you click the search box, here you have to see Git repository, or else you can, if you are not able to see, enter Git repo. Okay, once you enter that, you can able to see that repo into down. Here there are three options are presented. One is already presented GitHub, which is a repository is presented, that we can able to choose, or else we can able to clone the Git repository from remote to local, and we can able to create a new repo. And we need to clone the repo, then we need to click this one, and we need to provide that URL. Here by default it will take the all values. Once you copy paste it, then you have to click next and finish, because already it is added somewhere into my repo. Due to that it is not showing properly. In case if that already presented but you just removed, not completely deleted, that moment also you can able to get this problem. Okay, to resolving that you have to go location, you have to delete that. To overcome that, I'm going to copy paste for another repo which is already I have so many. In that repos I'm going to take one of them. Okay, just copying this one and cloning, and next and finishing. Once you finished, then you can able to see here your repo is presented here. Then create a project for Java project, and you can make it as a testing and finish. And once you click the finish, it will ask you to adding to the repo, and don't do it that one, and you will not understand the what exactly flow. Once you add it, then you have to do it from a project created, and you need to do it from sharing that repo into GitHub. Means this project you need to add into this repo. To right click this one and come to Teams, there is a share project. Once you click the share project, and you can able to navigate, see here the Git repo project is presented. That project you have to select and finish it. Once you finish it, then both the things are up to date it will present means if you change here it will come reflect into this project place. And next step is commit and push to the project into a repo. Just we need to right click and come to teams, then it can able to see up to sharing. If you share the project into that git repo, then only can able to see this all the things, otherwise you will not see. Once you saw this one and you have to click for commit, and you can able to select all ones and just drag and drop into a stage. Once you've done the stage, you have to do it for commit. Some message you have to do it here to write some message for testing like that. As and which is the files we are mentioning, right? That file name you can mention and do it for commit and push. Here it will ask you for username password. Okay, here it will ask you some previews, and after that it will ask you username password. And now I have in my system there is a problem. That's why it will not take my username password if I provide a correct also. You can try multiple times. After that it will accept, and you can able to store this one and click login. Then it once you done right, it will go and sit into this repo. Okay, in repo it will once you refresh after commit, just you have to refresh, then you can able to see here the project will be presented. I'll show you how it will present. Like this the project will be presented. Okay, after you committed the project structures type, it will present that entire project code. Okay, and once you done that entire one committing, right, once you committed is completed, and if you add any class, then again it will show you for committing place here. Just you have to drag and drop to here stage, then provide some comment, and here commit and push, both you can able to do it. That entire values what are the modified the files that will sit into your repo. This is a way we can able to do for commit and push and pull for that. And if you want to pull into your repo into here means just you right click, come to teams and pull. Once you do that pull, and it will pull from that repo, which is the repo we connected, right? That repo we can able to pull the code into there to here. This is the way we can able to do it for pull and push to commit using Eclipse. Okay, I hope you understand this uh, video, and if you like this video, please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.